This is a teaching from Master Choa Kok Sui. He says, life is like an echo. When you give something, it comes back to you many, many times. So whatever you do in your life, whatever you put out there, whether it's positive or negative, it always comes back to you. This is the law of the universe. So, for example, if you are kind and generous to other people, it will come back to you many times over. But if you are unkind and selfish, it will also come back to you in the same coin. So be careful of what you think, what you say, and what you do, because it all comes back to us. This is why we have to be very, very careful. We have to be kind and compassionate towards others because we are all interconnected. Our lives are all intertwined. And whatever we do to others, it will eventually come back to us. So remember this, that life is like an echo. What you give is what you get. So give positivity and love to the world, and it will come back to you in abundance.